regular people who are making a lot of money by simply being themselves, okay? First of all, you want to make sure you get a lot of followers, okay? If you get a lot of followers, this simply means that you will have some of these people paying you subscription per month. They will become a paid subscribers, and the TikTok has a very nice feature, will simply allow you, I'm gonna show you, to make $100,000 a month. So if I click over here, go on my profile, click on the three straight lines on the upper right, click on creator tools, right? And then you click on monetization over here, right? And you swipe on the side and you click subscriptions, okay? This is what I've been talking to you about, okay? You can make $100,000 a month. What I'm trying to point out over here, guys, is that a lot of you probably were not aware that you can make all this money. And you cannot just by the number of subscribers. You don't have to have a million of subscribers. Just look at this. If you have 10,000 subscribers, you can make $21,000 estimates from TikTok, okay? And if you have a 10,000 subscribers, you're going to make money on top of this through creativity program beta. So who knows, $2, $3, $4, $5,000 if you're lucky. So you can estimate you could be making $25,000 a month from your home. We're not talking about running a business